We'll take a quick nap.
Right.
Just got finished and do you guess what? Okay, nap's over.
Watching the world unfold.
Man, why do you look like that?
Now
Me?
Yeah.
it's time for construction site.
What?
Wait a minute.
What's your goofy butt
Right.
doing out here?
Oh,
I'm actually up here, dingus.
hey, does it look better with this on?
No, you are down.
Does it look
Taro,
better with
behind
this?
you. Boy. Wait, what badge is that? Double badge is that?
Hey, does it look
Oh,
better
he's
with
been,
does it
he's
look
been
better with
spending
this?
way too much time.
Does it look better with this or without?
Yeah.
The window broke.
Take
Slap me real quick.
Bro,
There we go.
Who has the
I do.
Wait, are you that? That's me. Oh crap, your tag. Hold on. The ladder.
How rude.
Let's redo my.
You don't like your friends just because they're tagged?
Hey, come back.
Become? Oh God. Yes.
Oh,
Guys, I'm stuck.
I got saved.
no, that
No.
Are you
No.
tagged yet?
No, no, no,
Can you come back here?
What am I doing?
Oh God.
What? I'm not the seeker.
yeah, but I am.
I didn't do anything mean to you. I'm
What
just
the
playing a game, trying to have fun. Why do you have to hate me? I thought we were friends.
Those birds are watching the world unfold. The world.
Man, I remember when construction.
Are you sure you like your outfit?
That was a good nap.
No speakers,
Well, then it's an awesome outfit.
and they still got those little wheels.
The only thing that matters is if you
Old construction site. That tag wasn't a thing. That was a thing.
Holy guacamoles! I'm up here.
No.
What do I do
Red
next?
face, where'd you get it? Your
I
parents?
said holy
Welcome
walking.
to the underground. Welcome, my.
You're special.
Oh
no, don't do it.
Right.
By the holy chainsaw.
Frick you.
Of
Just
Oh,
here,
God. By the holy chainsaw.
God, what the fuck did you do?
Okay, no more holy chainsaw.
Please stop being mean. You're being super mean right now. I'm not hiding in there. You know I was in there. I said I wasn't.
Gorilla had a.
Yeah, but I said I wasn't hiding in there, so why would you check in there? Because, like,
Because I saw you, so I got a chance to tell you.
just because you saw me doesn't mean you saw me.
Die, my yeet, baby. Die, baby, die.
Now you're the
They're
defying the
fake.
laws of having eyeballs.
You just got accidentally tagged. I'm gonna look for the butt coin stashes.
Oh, him, the monkey kid? Defying the laws of eyeballs. And then you defying the laws of eyeballs. Crazy.
And you guys.
No, where's the buttcoin stash?
Up my booty. They're called butt coins for a reason.
Yeah.
You're defying the laws of how.
Nathan,
What do you mean?
it's Nathan's poop. Nathan's poop was yellow, so he made a type of coins in his game called
Just
butt
because you saw me
coins.
go in there doesn't mean I was in there. So,
You're
like,
defying the laws of having eyeballs.
well, guess who doesn't have eyeballs?
Who?
Nathan!
Me! I don't have any eyeballs, so I don't have to listen to the rules of seeing.
What do you mean? They're right there.
Those aren't real. Hey, gotcha. Hey, gotcha.
They do something, right?
No, not really.
I have
My
a
guy
sister,
flung me
I
out of
love
the
you.
window. I was just chilling in there.
Son. Can I see your child? You look so beautiful. Can I see Let me just.
Have these ready?
Right in the garbage. Right
Your
in the
tag
garbage.
is
Being it is crazy.
But who,
Wait, that's so cool.
has it even
I
been
just realized
selected
he
yet?
mimics you.
It's him again.
Is that you whipping it out? What?
Hi. I was about to.
Is it a voodoo doll? I have experience throwing children. That's racist.
Yeah, I know.
Just because I'm a monkey doesn't mean you have to call me a monkey. That's just so racist.
Call him a yeek.
That's even more racist. You just assume.
Oh, you're so lucky. I'm going up there. Obviously, we're all yeeves.
Yeah.
Do not know.
That's not racist at all.
Gotcha. You sneaky tomato.
No, I reversed it onto you.
How is it racist? How do you corner? Where do you go?
Bye.
That's just weird.
Yeah.
Oh God!
You from afar.
The jump kick didn't work going back there, then there, then going up there.
Oh, God.
It hit you. How does that happen?
I got me.
Get away from me! You're weird.
Oh, wait.
I'm
You're
a monkey.
weird.
You call me weird just because I'm a monkey? That's racist.
That's racist.
Bro, it's not racist.
Nah, guys.
It's racist because I.
Guys, do you remember the Gorilla Tag kid that's like, I'm the best racist, I'm the best racist?
Do I look
Hey,
Man, I caught you on camera saying that.
with the...
But I'm recording and I said, do you remember the Gorilla Tag kid that
Yeah,
said
but I'm just gonna
that?
cut
So,
it. I'm just gonna cut it and then post it on 15 different accounts.
yeah, but the thing
And then
is
I'm
I'm
gonna
also
upload the videos
recording
on
and I'm gonna post it on 10 million different accounts. So, boom.
I'm gonna bot it so a bunch of people see it.
I'm gonna bot it as well.
Oh, but I'm gonna report you for botting since you just said you were gonna do that.
I lied though.
Oh, lying? I'm gonna report you for being a liar, pants on fire.
That's false reporting.
No, you lied to me.
Bobby is so...
Hey.
You're supposed to be honest and tell me the truth all the time.
No,
Hey, little kid, get your run ass out of here.
I slapped somebody.
Liar, pin on fire. Set my hands on fire. Okay.
Liar, liar. I'm literally burning alive. Please help me.
no one's gonna help.
I'm back. You
You need to help
How am I not
yourself. You're a grown man. You're a grown man. You need to help yourself.
Mom.
Be a good
Hey,
grown man.
doo-doo
Help
face.
yourself.
Liar, liar, yeep on fire.
Oh my.
You will buy a video because you're
You
a
say
liar.
Liar, liar, I set your house on fire.
Liar, I set your mom on fire.
Gotcha.
You didn't say anyone was on for you.
Liar, liar, I set your house on fire.
Yeah, he doesn't
Yo, Red Fox. No,
Yeah,
don't
you
leave
set it
me.
on fire.
No, actually, let's go over here. It's safer.
Imagine.
You're gonna come, or
Hey, if
said
you
you're gonna come.
you, I'll give you a kiss.
Oh yeah. Saying this for the second time. It's my birthday
Howard,
today.
Yellow kitty stink.
How is this a tag match? You're not even supposed
It's
to tag.
it's tap tag, dingus.
Tag tag.
You smack each other to tag.
So that's my YouTube channel.
Yeah, no duh. Well, the kid's slightly dumb and doesn't know that. And by slightly, that's a compliment.
I love you.
Run.
Please let me kiss you.
How am I supposed to get a taco? Guys, does anybody have a taco?
Run.
I have a taco. It's you. Your reflection.
Bro,
I'm not a taco. Look, my dog needs a taco. Or my panda.
go, buddy.
Can I just slap this guy?
Panda needs a taco. Guys, look. I'm going to show him. I'm gonna show you.
Tickle
He
me,
needs a
boy.
taco.
Tickle me.
He needs a taco.
Yes, you got him. You got his doo-doo butt. His
Churro.
doo-doo poopy face.
Doo-doo.
But, oh, what a lickable butt he has.
Oh my god.
You are a...
Man, that was exhausting.
Yay, we win, we win, we win. Tickle me, we win. Kiss.
No. Jesus
Come on.
Christ.
Who wants to go share a toilet with me?
Not
I'm gonna
me.
edit the next thing you say to who
Share the
wanna.
toilet with me.
I'm gonna edit the next thing you say to the most weirdest thing ever.
And I got tagged.
Hello, look.
What if the next thing I say is the weirdest thing ever?
That
Like, come
is,
share the
but
toilet
you
with
just
me.
said the next thing.
Just come share the toilet with me or something.
Nah, I'd win.
No, wait, how are you opening it?
I don't know. I'm not.
Now, I
I'm not
bet
opening it.
I am the biggest anime fan here. I bet I'm the biggest anime fan here.
It just does that.
But are you gay?
No. Your mom can say otherwise. Oh, let me join you. Let me join. Let me join in. Let me join in.
You said
I thought.
somebody shared the toilet.
Oh?
And this lobby's all blue.
No, Churro got tagged. Crap, I'm cooked.
It's kind of gay.
Oh my god! Stop targeting!
Are you gay? Gay.
Richary Stinky Man 2000.
Veep, I love you, Veep. I have you in real life. Am I doing good things?
Yeah, you're looking at me. That's about it.
Boom!
He's just chilling over there.
Oh wait, I'm tagged!
I tagged you. I tagged you.
winning.
I never realised I was tagged!
Dingus.
I
You're so silly. You're such a silly Billy. What a funny guy. You want to go share
I'm
the
smarter
toilet with
than
me?
you. I'm smarter than you.
You are smaller than me. That is true. You are
I said
way small.
smarter.
You are smaller. That is definitely
Smart.
I'm
true.
saying
I'm a big-
smarter. You need to learn how to hear.
You're more water than me. I'm pretty sure all people are 70% water. So you're
Yeah.
you're not more water than me.
Yeah, but I'm smarter.
Yeah, but you-
SMATER.
No,
Did you
Churro's
say
tagged.
SMAETR?
No, SMATER.
That's not what you
Smarter.
said.
What
Oh,
it is.
he is a farter, isn't he?
You are actually stupid if you can't hear that correct.
Maybe it's because you're British or something.
Now that is just offensive and reportable.
No. I'm talking
It
about
is.
an accent that's
Because I am
not
British.
understandable.
It is understandable. How am I understanding him?
I don't know, maybe you're British. Why would I know?
No, I'm not. I'm very gladly not.
Why would you hit me? That's
You guys, if you ever see this guy, can you go ahead and kill him?
disgusting little one-head creature. Disgusting to look at.
Run!
Got both of y'all, boy.
I'm gonna get his name.
Leave me
Both of
alone.
y'all just
I
got
know how
tickled.
you do that. That's how you do it.
KAYOWD.
I'm walking.
My God.
Whew!
Where am I?
I'm sweaty.
Guys, look at this. I'm upside down.
Hey, look at this. You have an orange glow.
Victory 3.
I like victory. I like winning. I'm really cool.
I like sweating, which I'm very sweaty right now.
Why are you getting sweaty playing this game? That's kind of gross.
I know! I just
Can
played
I
Yeats
drink it?
GeoGuessr in Intel's Community World, and I got
Community
quite
Worlds
a lot
aren't real.
correct.
It looks. If I climb this way, it looks like
Bro, where are the Buckcoin stashes?
You know, there's an actual.
Yeah.
There's a glitch to actually walk on the wall.
Bro, is there only one Buckcoin stash in this map?
Look,
No, there's
look,
multiple.
look, come.
Yeah, I can't find any others at
Let me
all.
get my
Hey,
saddle.
maybe
we
go
need a
back.
saddle for
Maybe. Okay, here's a hint. One of them is in you.
No, there's not.
Yeah, there's one inside of you.
There's not though.
Yeah, inside the big dumpster.
Like, is there actually one in the dumpster though?
Come with me.
Yep,
Come
button
with me,
right
dumpster.
here.
Is there?
Thanks.
You're not
Hey,
welcome.
just 100 more, then I can buy premium, no, VIP in Wanted.
Why would you want that?
I've been playing Wanted a lot. If you watch my videos, you would know that.
I don't.
Yeah, I know. It's a bit obvious. Otherwise, you would notice me.
Honestly, all British people sound the same to me.
I sound like British Bagel then.
Yeah, you do.
Dumpster.
So if I just put on his fit, people would believe it's me. If I also change my
I
username.
I found it. It's over here. Oh,
Yeah, I noticed that a while ago. I should have told y'all, but I didn't feel like it, so I just didn't.
Can you like not target me this round?
Well,
How did
technically
they-
the
how
whole
did-
game is to go for you.
Guys, how did they
So-
go out of
How?
the map? How did they go out of
Because
the map?
you're not it, we're it, so we slap ya.
Yeah, but
Like
I'm not the only one, not it. So
Wait.
Well, you're the only one talking, so I easily
Wait,
found
let
your
me look
position.
over here.
Everyone else I can't find.
okay. We'll see about that.
Maybe if
Wait.
you were quiet and hidden, because the game is hide and seek. Like this
Okay,
guy.
Frick.
This guy lasted
Voice
longer. He was
decoys
hiding
are
in the
banned.
corner.
Man.
Okay.
God.
I'm gonna mute my mic, then I'm gonna.
Oh, finally!
No.
Ow! I just hit
God,
myself.
look at this.
Tasted.
So you guys can still hear me, but
Whoever's
you
up here.
can't in game.
I like your cheeks.
Wait, what?
Good G.
Can you hear me?
I look at this. I like good.
Yeah, he's lying. I'm pretty sure. Because I'm pretty sure he said
I'll catch
you
you.
can still hear
Don't
me.
worry, I'll
Oh,
catch
yeah,
you.
we'll catch you.
Gosh dang it, he lagged out, so he made it through.
Oh yeah. I want to mention this really fun game on like PS5 and stuff.
Man, where is he?
Just send
Where'd he
us.
go? You know what?
What was that?
Where's the egg salad? This guy looks like an egg salad.
You guys know how that song was made? Can't get it out of my head.
I touched you. That's so badly.
I swear these have more.
James. Come on,
Yeah,
what is
how long
this?
that going?
How do we get out of here? How could someone with no cosmetics be this good?
Bro, I'm pretty sure they have a cosmetic. Right, I just saw a review thing. I'm gonna test it.
Yo, last heat, this is very reportable. You know that, right? You're making the game less fun. You're the last person too. Yeah, I know what it feels, bro, for Fortnite for being last. Yeah.
That.
No, he just reported me for being last.
Don't worry.
I'm recording. Bro,
Take it
it's
times.
a part of the game. It's part of the game. You're supposed to like try to
Well,
win.
one.
Well, one.
If you're last,
You can't be
last for
longer than like 5 minutes. First of all, I do want to just point that out.
That
was not 5 minutes. Pretty sure.
Oh yeah, my viewers at
5%, so
I will do an outro
if it just turns off.
on.
I got here a second.
Sorry, you just echoed.
Why'd you report
I am going
Why'd you
to
report me for being last?
make it so you can hear me again.
Oh, you're giving me the silent treatment now?
I think he knows he's on camera. I think he knew he was on camera. Giving you the title.
Right. There you go. I'm sorry for that echo just now.
We have
Yeah. I apologise if that hurt your ears,
tag me.
but I can't actually do anything about it. I can't edit one of the voices out. But like basically my screen recording, which is how I record, I screen record the companions.
We're recording something without asking permission.
Did I just tag some? No.
I'm recording you. Yeah, you're recording. He just said it's
Right.
reportable to not report.
I'm recording.
You're
I'm recording as well.
I give you permission to record.
Hey, that is permission. That's just playing out false reporting.
I want to record.
That's false reporting. Get him.
I don't even.
I've reported him. Let me get his name. Tato.
Alright, so this kid
Potato
reported me for being last.
CADE31.
Hey, how do I
Hey,
record?
hey,
Hey, how do I
And then he said,
record? I
"Yeah,
played
you
the
can't
games
record without
before.
permission." Can I ask you something?
No.
This guy
Yes.
says that I'm targeting
Hey,
him
how do
when
I
tagged him
record?
'cause
Hey, how do
'cause
I
there was someone-
record?
There were two people. I tagged
Are you the
another
same
guy first,
person?
and then I tagged him, and then he said that I was targeting him.
Oh, I didn't know you were the
We're
same
not targeting.
person. Hey,
Targeting.
is this guy
How do you
done
I'm pretty sure
recording?
targeting isn't
Targeting when I tagged
reportable
him.
anyway, though.
Did you see
Pretty
that?
sure
Did you see
targeting
that?
isn't
Did you-
reportable anyway.
Did
So.
you see how that? Yeah, he said I was.
Hey, how do you
he said I can't
record?
report
Yeah.
without permission.
How do
Yeah,
you
the shark,
record?
the
Oh, so you're
shark
gonna go
can
into
be
your
banned.
meta
I'm pretty sure the
quest
shark
menu.
can be banned.
And then you'll
Where
see,
is
like,
that?
He said it's
Reportable
you see
to,
the button with
not-
like
you have to
a
have
button
permission
with like
to
an
record.
oval on it.
No, you don't.
Under control.
Yeah, that is just playing out not
Wait, hold
true.
on.
That is just playing out not true.
You see your joystick? It's under that.
If you look at like people like British Bagel,
I'm on the meta quest. What meta
they
quest?
never give permission
I'm in
to
the
people
meta
to
quest
record
too.
because they
I'm
don't
on the
need
meta
to.
quest too.
So yeah.
You know, probably the meta quest before.
Wait, does anyone have there's a button on this on that control?
I don't, but I'm
Meta
hoping
It's
to
gonna be
get
like
it.
an oval
be honest.
button.
Hey, he's probably
under
on
your
the meta
joystick.
quest
It's under your
before.
joystick.
Send this to the
He's probably
It's
under
under
my
my
joystick.
Yeah, the stick, the one where you turn
Um,
like that.
Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, now.
I'm meant to be honest.
Yeah,
End the
that
video
one,
right here.
that one.
I'll see you in the next one.
Not that one.
Bye.